Welcome to this video. First, this video will examine various strategies for maintaining inspiration and motivation in your work. It's very simple to get caught up in the day-to-day operations of your business and forget why you started it. Setting realistic business objectives will help you stay motivated and focused on what matters. For example, if your goal is to make $1 million in the first year, you're likely to be disappointed. However, if your goal is to make an extra $500 each month, you're more likely to succeed. Instead of focusing on the broad picture, breaking down your goals into smaller, more doable portions will keep you motivated and on track. Concentrate on what you can do right now to advance toward your objective. This could entail developing your marketing strategy, reaching out to potential clients, developing new goods or services, whatever your objective. Make sure it drives and inspires you. This will keep you motivated when times are rough. It's crucial to have a support system to help you stay motivated, whether it's your family, friends, or other business owners. Having a clear purpose for your business will also help attract consumers and clients who believe in what you're doing. People's support and motivation can make a significant difference. Finding a mentor or role model, someone you can look up to and learn from who can offer you advice, is one approach to stay motivated in your career. Inspiration and drive. Having a mentor can help you keep motivated and on course. It can also be useful to have someone with whom to discuss your business and bounce ideas off of. A daily or weekly goal list that you examine every morning and evening is one of the finest ways to keep yourself reminded to stay motivated. Alternatively, you may set a computer or phone reminder to remind you to review your goals every day. Whichever method works for you, be sure you use it. It's crucial to recognize your business's successes, no matter how big or small, since this will keep you inspired and committed to your objectives. Maintaining a running list of your accomplishments, both personal and professional, will help you do this. When you're feeling down or questioning yourself, look at the list and be reminded of all the wonderful things you've accomplished. This will give you the motivation you need to keep going. Although staying motivated in business is not always simple, it's crucial to try by setting goals. Remember that every day is a fresh chance to achieve your goals, so don't give up. By remaining organized and taking care of yourself, you can boost your chances of success. Stay tuned for more updates.